Dear friends, welcome to our newscast, where I share the most important events in the crypto market every week. Today, you will learn about new institutional investments in crypto, what is currently affecting the Bitcoin rate, as well as updates on our game Battle Bulls. I will try to keep it to 5 minutes and tell you only the most interesting things. Institutional investors are putting money into Bitcoin derivatives. In fact, 13 out of the 25 largest hedge funds in the US have already invested in spot Bitcoin ETFs. Some of them have invested up to 2.5% of their total assets. Another strong bullish signal from institutional investors came from the investment company VanEck. It has submitted a revised application to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, for the launch of a spot Ethereum ETF under Form 8A. This could mean that Ethereum-based investment products might be launched next week. Recently, analysts calculated that the American giant MicroStrategy spent $2.7 billion on buying Bitcoin at prices higher than the current one. Nevertheless, the company's strategy has proven successful. MicroStrategy's paper profit from its Bitcoin investments is approximately $4 billion, with an average purchase price of around $37,000 per BTC. MicroStrategy has been buying Bitcoins since 2020. According to the latest data, the company holds 226,331 BTC, $12.9 billion at the current exchange rate, on its balance, making it the largest corporate holder of cryptocurrency. This news once again confirms that crypto is a serious financial instrument that is here to stay, and it's no surprise when you look at the growth dynamics of major asset classes since the beginning of the year. On the screen now, you will see a table showing that Bitcoin remains the most profitable asset, even amid the ongoing bear trend. Since the beginning of 2024, Bitcoin has grown by 42%, silver by 22%, NASDAQ by 20%, S&P 500 by 15%, and gold by 12%. Feeling FOMO for not buying Bitcoin or not tapping enough to earn crypto in popular games? Don't worry and listen closely. The main functionality of our game Battle Bulls has just started working. This means you can now go to the bot and start earning game euros, which you can withdraw during the airdrop. By the way, more than 1 million people are already playing Battle Bulls. Join them now. At the end of the video, we will provide more details about all the updates, but for now, let's get back to our cryptocurrency market review. And what about the Bitcoin exchange rate? The asset continues to dance around the $56,000 mark. Bitcoin's price has been unable to break away from the psychological level of $56,000 per BTC. Initially, positive reports from the U.S. stock market pushed BTC's price up to $58,200, but then a series of factors brought it back down to $54,278. The German government's actions, which we will discuss further, played a significant negative role, but they were just one factor. The second factor was the beginning of payouts related to the Mt. Gox case. Mt. Gox debt repayments began on July 5th. Naturally, the bankruptcy trustee has to sell BTC for this purpose. So far, $2.71 billion in BTC has been withdrawn from the platform's cold wallets, but this is just the beginning. Mt. Gox creditors are supposed to receive over $9 billion in total. Bitcoin ETFs, which have been the main driver of growth since the beginning of the year, no longer inspire as much confidence in investors as they once did. However, after the pressure from Mt. Gox and the German government goes down, there's a chance that Bitcoin will resume its growth, especially if the speech by the chairman of the U.S. Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, brings positive news. As always, expert opinions on Bitcoin's future are divided. Technical analyst and head of Factor LLC, Peter Brandt, suggested a further correction of Bitcoin to $44,000 within the double top pattern. In contrast, Bitfinex analysts pointed to the likelihood of Bitcoin reaching a local minimum as investors realized the exaggerated impact of the Mt. Gox assets and the German government. So, what did the Germans do? The authorities there are selling off Bitcoins. In just one day, BTC worth over $900 million was sold from a wallet associated with the German federal government. Significant amounts went to cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase, 400 BTC, Bitstamp, 400 BTC, and Kraken, 200 BTC. But the largest amount, 3,500 BTC, went to market maker flow traders. Naturally, a one-time sale of such a large volume of BTC couldn't help but affect the market. It became one of the key reasons for the price drop after the growth attempt at the beginning of the week. This isn't the first BTC dump by the German authorities, though it is the largest. Since early July, the German government has been dumping bitcoins from its wallets. So far, about 27,000 BTC out of 50,000 have been sold, so the pressure on the leading cryptocurrency's price from this direction should ease soon. However, Bitcoin is not the only one facing difficulties right now. All 5 of the largest meme coins have lost more than 10% of their value in just one day. Dogecoin dropped by 10%, Shiba Inu by 11%, Pepe by a whopping 17%, Dog with Hat by 15%, and Bonk by 10%. Given the losses of top meme coins over the past 7 days, ranging from 15% to 35% for different assets, it is safe to say that the meme coin market is in an extended, bearish phase. Yet, judging by social media, meme coin fans continue to hope for a quick reversal, while their opponents are mostly gloating, saying, "We told you so." However, despite all the difficulties in today's crypto market, there is no reason for despair. The factors dragging crypto down are quite obvious and, most importantly, temporary. So, the bull market will return soon. Let's get back to Battle Bulls. As I mentioned earlier, the main functionality of the game has already been launched. Open the game right now, tap the bull, and watch your balance grow. Each tap will earn you 1 game euro. At the start, each player has 1,000 units of energy. Each tap consumes 1 unit of energy, while 3 units of energy are replenished per second. Tapping the bull is not the only way to earn game euros. In the earn section, you can find simple tasks, as well as unconditional daily rewards. The reward amount increases each day, but remember, you need to claim your reward every day. If you miss a day, the count starts over. Remember, all instructions for the game are available on our YouTube channel. That's all for now. See you on our channel next week.